Don't jinx it. Hi, my name is Ricki Castanieto, and welcome to the InstaShow at the J.T. and Margaret Talkington College of Visual and Performing Arts. Join Olivia Currier for her senior voice recital Monday, March 7th at 7:30 p.m. There will be Mozart, Brahms, Bellini, Duparc, Britten, and Widor. Olivia will be joined by the amazing accompanist, Pith. Olivia will be joined by Dr. Jorge Ramos, by the amazing accompanist. Olivia will be joined by Dr. Jorge Ramos, violist Israel Mello, pianist Jia Lee, and mezzo-soprano Marie Smithwick. And don't miss her performance as Sesto with Texas Tech Opera Theater's Red Cast on Thursday, March 31st and Saturday, April 2nd. Join us for the second annual Walk to End Racism in support of the East Lubbock Art House. The Walk to End Racism is a fundraiser in support of anti-racism programming and projects throughout the 2022 year. The event is inspired by the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. quote, "If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward." Find out how you can sign up at eastlubbocarthouse.org. It's open house season at the School of Art at Texas Tech University. We cordially invite you, students, teachers, parents, and community members to the annual Community Open House for the Texas Tech School of Art. We'll be opening the doors on March 4th at 9 a.m. through 4 p.m. here in the Art Building and the 3D Annex. We will showcase the artistry of our faculty and students. Activities will include portfolio review sessions, 2D and 3D art demonstrations, interactive printing processes, metal casting facility and forges, ceramic hand building, and much more. As always, our multiple gallery spaces are open in Landmark Arts, located in the main art building for you to view. Visitors will have a chance to tour our state-of-the-art woodshop located in the 3D Art Annex. The woodshop caters to students from all concentrations within the School of Art and houses a wide variety of tools and machinery. Visit our website today to RSVP with the link in our bio.